If you've been trying to recover from hair loss or just struggling with excessive shedding, then my friend, you've come to the right place. So stick around. Since yesteryears, green tea has been recommended by healthy experts because of the countless healthy perks it comes with. However, very few are familiar with its powerful benefits on our hair. So allow me to walk you through the benefits green tea can cast on your hair if you decide to use them. So without much further ado, let's get started. Green tea prevents hair loss. Be it dull or a poor diet intake or stress levels, hair loss has been hovering over anybody and everybody in this world. Hair loss tends to affect the natural growth of hair in a negative manner. The best green tea consists of this word, guys, I can't pronounce it. I'm just going to put it up on the screen, okay? Which is known to increase the growth of hair. So if you are someone who is tired of hair loss, then try some green tea and witness the miracle. In addition to preventing hair loss, green tea is known to promote hair growth and hair regrowth. Again, the miracle ingredient is EGCG. Thanks to its ability of stimulating the dead hair follicles and rejuvenating dead hair cells, your hair starts growing at a considerable rate. Green tea is a natural DHT blocker. It contains antioxidants which protects the hair from damaging free radicals that can cause hair shedding and hair loss. Green tea promotes hair growth and prevents hair loss. Green tea has anti-inflammatory properties, and this other word I'm going to put up here, that ensure a healthy scalp. Green tea also stimulates blood circulation to the scalp and increase blood flow to the hair follicles, ultimately promoting hair growth. Very few people know that hair receives nutrients from the scalp, which in turn is enriched by blood, and because of this, hair growth is largely impacted by the amount of nutrients and oxygen you receive from your scalp. So drinking pure green tea also can help enhancing the supply of blood as well as oxygen to the hair follicles and allowing your hair to grow fabulously. So if you want, you can grab a cup of 1 or 2 green tea every day in the morning. Another way you can get more benefit from green tea is by laying your hands on a shampoo that is enriched with green tea extract, or you can buy yourself a green tea conditioner. And if you don't want to do all that because you have your favorite shampoo and your conditioner, you can choose the option which I did by making a green tea hairspray yourself. And the way I like to use this hair tea is I use it as a tea rinse or as a weekly moisturizer. So I'm simply going to spray this green tea to my hair thoroughly to make sure that all my hair has received this hairspray. After that, I'm going to be massaging my scalp thoroughly. Massaging your scalp also is a great way to promote blood circulation to your scalp. Next, I'm going to be using my oil to oil my scalp and then massage it in again. Okay guys, I hope you find value in this video. Please don't forget to leave a comment, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye. See you in my next one.